This is the thing that we have to do. Then it's already just like this. This is iron tape. This is the solder wire. Then you solder that board. Just like this.
The island Penang lies in northern Malaysia, close to Thailand. In the early 1970s, the first Malaysian free trade zone was founded there, and Penang became the Silicon Island of the East. Over 300,000 people work in Malaysia's electronic industry. They produce printers, hard disks, semiconductor devices, and memory chips for companies like Dell, Hewlett-Packard, and Intel. In order to keep wages low, the companies recently started recruiting migrant workers from poorer countries such as Indonesia, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Today, more than 50% of the workers are migrants. Most of them are young women. Labor agencies play a crucial role in this system. The majority of the migrant workers are not employed by the manufacturing companies directly, but rather they're employed by such agencies, which usually recruit workers in their home countries, organize transport to the factories, and also provide accommodation. In Penang, almost 10,000 migrants live in a housing complex called Majestic Heights. These massive concrete towers stood empty after its former Malayan residents had left because of a series of landslides.
They want us all together here for the under contractor. Then it's easy for them to find us here because this house is empty, almost empty. Then they put us here. It's easy for them to find us and cheap. I ever asked this one for our agent, but they said here in Paya Trubung only the place that Malaysia can receive the people from Indonesia, because some of them are complain because you are very noisy, then you are very dirty one, you're very dirty. Then
बाहिर बस्ने ठाउँ हो अनि यसमा कुर्सीहरू छैन, खासै सानो टेबल छ अनि पंखा पनि चल्दैन, यसमा कहिलेकाहीँ गरम पनि लाग्छ। दोस्रो कोठा हो, यसमा पनि त्यस्तै छ, कपडा राख्ने ठाउँ छैन, यसमा हामी 4 जनाले सुत्छौँ। यो माथि सुत्ने नाइटमा छ अनि तल सुत्ने पनि नाइटमा छन्। यो चाहिँ मर्निङ वालाको हो अनि अहिले चाहिँ उहाँहरू ड्युटी जानु भएछ अनि हामीहरू नाइट गरेर फर्केर आछौँ। हामीले कपडा यस्तो झुन्ड्याएर राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, यता झुन्ड्याएर राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। Every day we have to sleeping and here have road so sounds cannot sleep, you are disturbed. My agent say show me American company, very good company, and I believe him. I come here, but I come here, so many problems. How I say salary, about company's rules. If don't know language, don't know English, don't know Malay, cannot work there. If working slow, supervisor school. Supervisor say who have to working slow? I don't want. They every day have to check your work, how you work, how many minutes you have to finish, how many hours you have to finish. They have to target 1 hour must finish, but they have to 2 hours. They working finish 2 hours. 1 day, 2 days, same cannot work in Java. Main problems there.
Migrant workers often pay several $1,000s in commission to the labor agencies. Since their work permits are valid for a maximum of 5 years, they have a limited period of time to pay off the debt and make some money. If a worker gets pregnant or faces serious health problems, she is sent back to her home country at her own expense. The whole system of contract labor in Malaysia creates a cheap, disposable workforce which can be hired and fired according to the company's needs.
Untuk ke depan, kalau pribadi saya pun, kalau saya datang lagi ke sini untuk yang kedua kali, kalau saya ditanya, saya akan berusaha untuk tidak mendapatkan kontraktor lagi lah. Saya akan ambil yang company punya lah. Saya kerja sama dengan mereka, tetapi gaji tidak sama, sakit. Tapi sepatutnya kalau saya pikir ya, sekali kita buat kerja dan kita buat lebih daripada 2 station, sepatutnya kita mendapatkan allowance skill, kan? Apalagi kalau kita tengok scope, itu ada kaitan dengan mata, itu bukan pekerjaan yang senang. Lagi kita hirup udara itu soda, itu boleh paru-paru kita pun boleh sakit. Dan tidak adil sekali saya pikir, it's not fair lah kalau kita misalnya tak dapat allowance skill.
I also don't know how to cook, but just learning because we all here no more wife, no mother, no sister, so we have to do outside. So how to cook? Someone coming in Malaysia, going out countries, they don't know how to cook. If nobody to help them, they just try to cooking. So now we know how to cook.
यो दालको लागि प्याज काट्नु पर्छ
प्याज दालको लागि काटेको छैन म काट्छु अहिले एकछिन
यो प्याज काट्नु पर्यो अनि खोर्सानी पनि काट्नु पर्यो जरा जरा भन्नु
Pay 1 million Nepali rupees and I come here. I have loan our bank. I want to pay. If I didn't pay, that banks take my homes, my lands. If I cannot earn money, I back home. I'm a zero.
Okay, this is where basic salary 590. This one rest day, Sunday overtime. 6 month net pay 5,020 only. Net pay 6 months. Little lot, many little.
Not much.
Yeah, not much. Not more money.
Agent cheating already. We know already we have to see salary paper. Agent say 1,500, but here 1,000. Agent say you can save 1,000, but here we have to save 500 or 600, 700. Cannot save 1,000.
Agent say only 8 hours, but we are doing the now 12 hours. 4 hours every day OT overtime.
This is my first and last. Many friends here, first time coming, they also same thing. They also say first and last. They want to come here.
Gini bulan kan nanti aku balik bulan Oktober kan. Gak usah lah bilang-bilang sama orang lain aku datang. Aku nggak tahu lagi lah mak, kalau mama memang ada yang mengapa lagi, kalau ada yang bagus lagi mungkin aku tahu balik lagi ke sini. Kalau ada yang bagus kan. Kalau ada yang bagus. Kalau ada yang bagus mungkin aku balik lagi ke sini.
Bilang kamu, gimana keputusanmu? Aku nggak maksa manusia nak.
Iya, kalau nanti tengok-tengoklah kalau ada yang bagus nanti aku balik lagi lah ya. Boleh kan?
Iya, aku boleh lah. Gimana kesenanganmu itu jalan kakak? Gitu. Hah?
Sometimes I'm disappointed. Sometimes I'm happy. Because sometimes when my mother asks me to send me money, I may give her. Minum, baru mabuk, doa, puasa, holong hang tua. I minum, I mabuk, doa, minum, mabuk, doa. That's all I know. That's all.
Telah reda, hidup berteman.